Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this is storage. Yes, I know if you just saw my recent video where I showed my storage stash, you're like, Joan, do you really need more storage? And I'm like, of course, always need more storage. But this is storage that I don't actually have yet. So I think now I'm just using the excuse of like, well, you know, I like storage, I might as well try the different kinds. But I'm also one of those ones, I see storage, but just because I see it and I want it doesn't mean I get it unless it's a good price. So I thought this was a good price. These are from AliExpress, and I'm hoping it came to me intact. So these are the Tic-Tac containers. So this is the bigger Tic-Tac containers. I did buy 2 containers, but they're like different kind of contain. I'm gonna just open both of them just so, because they are similar thing but yet different. So first, let's see. Did it break? I've had issues getting storage from AliExpress where it broke. Nope, it looks fine. Is it me, or are these containers maybe too tall for this storage? I don't know, but yeah, here it is. These are the bigger Tic-Tac containers. It does come with some labels here. I'm just gonna move the labels aside because I have so many labels. But yeah, I got these bigger Tic-Tac containers. Let's see. I don't know, this one, the containers, yeah, the tops of these bigger ones do come off with pretty easily. Is it just that one? Okay, no, it is just that one. Just making sure. So they seem like it might be a kind of tight fit. I mean, do they fit? No, you have to put them this way. So they are not all in the right same orientation, but I'll figure out which way I like it the best. But yeah, they are much bigger than these smaller, smaller Tic-Tac containers. They look like they might even hold like 3 times as much as the smaller Tic-Tac containers. Although on the top here, they take about the same size space as these ones. It is a very tight fit. So, but yeah, even though they take the space of 2 of these smaller ones, these seem like they might be, I think they look almost 3 times bigger than, I don't know. Well, there's no extra plastic between, so you might be able to hold maybe 2.5 times more. We'll see. But it is the Tic-Tac container here. They're much bigger than these ones. There should be 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 4. So that is 32. So I decided to get this pack, this site. This store on AliExpress had, I don't know, the lids on this one, they seem kind of loose. I don't know if I like that, because no, it's not falling off. They seem kind of loose, so it might be one of those where and it is very tight in here, so it might be one of those, it's hard to get out, not like these ones. So the reason I bought the 32 pack, and then this one, I forgot what it was. There should be 32 here plus 8, 6, 16. What's that? 32 plus 16 is 48. My brain. Yeah, 48. So the reason I got this is because I thought with these might be too much for a lot of the colors, and in case I had more than 32 colors, I could take from some of these. So I thought if I put 16 of these over here and then moved these ones over there, I would have 2 40 container cases as opposed to 132 and one, I already forgot what it was, 48. So yeah, I just thought this would be See, the lids of these are pretty loose. So I did get this. See, this one's fine. It was just this one. The one that I happened to just pick up, maybe. Yeah, no, it's... Are these a square? Like, will I be able to just put them in whatever, which way? But yeah, no, the reason I got this one is because I figured 40, I'd be able to have 2 bottles of 40. So let's just go put some drills in. So here are some drills that I have in the bottle system. So let's just see how much could fit into this thing. Okay, so there is the bottle. It does hold more than the bottles because this thing was pretty full. So I have here some more drills. So these were 2 like pretty full bottles. And let's see. I don't want to overfill it and then I can't put the lid back on. So yeah, and I probably could pour more of that in here. So what it is nice is, look, it's a much bigger opening than the regular Tic-Tac containers. But yeah, it does look like it almost fits two almost full containers of this. So yeah, look at how much more that holds when you compare it to the, well, we'll see. Like, let's, just for showing, here's another kind of full bottle of drills. Let's just see how much this holds. So yeah, I didn't want to fill it up all the way just because it does get harder to add the top if you fill it up too much. So let's just say that's full there. So yeah, compared, so now I still have that much left of that one bottle. So the other bottle was able to hold like one whole thing with like that much. And then the other one was only able to hold maybe like 2/3 of the bottles. So yeah, it does hold way more than this by a lot. So that is kind of nice. Let me go get something else. So I went to get a Harbor Freight container here. I just want to see how much this... Oh. Okay, so it does take a little bit getting used to opening it that way. I guess it was really full. Okay, so like, look at this. This is a relatively full Harbor Freight container. So it is the same, about the same, can hold about the same amount of drills as the Harbor Freight container. The Harbor Freight container I could probably put in a tiny bit more, you know, if I really wanted to fill it. But yeah, like, so yeah, it does hold a lot. And I think the whole scope of things, this 32 case is smaller than the Harbor Freight, the outer case of a Harbor Freight container. So, and 32 is way more than the 27 that I could fit in the Harbor Freight container. So yeah, I think this will work out. And I did say I was going to put some of these into here just to, so that there'll be more than 32 if you need it. But yeah, no, I think I might like these. We'll see. It is this hard plastic, which I have found sometimes cracks. So be careful. And it does seem like it's a pretty tight fit in here. So I have to figure out which direction I want these in, because it's gonna bother me that they're in different directions. And then I have to figure out these ones, how I want them in there. But yeah, so there is another option for storage, in case you want to try some things out. And thank you. Oh wait, I forgot to show you how much this thing was. So thank you to Gabriella, who told me the store on AliExpress that she got these from. I have also been told that these are on Amazon too. So I do have a link for the Amazon store. So yeah, here is the where I got it from is from the Mingao Center store on AliExpress. It was originally $20.56, but I had a $3 off coupons, and then I used coins, and then I had to pay for tax. So in the end, these two containers were $17.11 for me. I bought these on a not AliExpress sale, and seriously, I wish I waited like I think if I waited like one more week or 2 weeks, it would have been an AliExpress sale, and I would have been able to get like 4 of these for like $24. I saw that, I was like, I could have just waited, but dude, I really want 4. So yeah, there is lots of storage that I want to get, like this. This looks so awesome. And I've seen this used sometimes too. I just haven't bought them because I'm one of those ones who have so much storage that I wait for the sale. But once this sucker goes cheaper, I am buying this storage there. But yeah, so yeah, here's another storage thing. I think my next kitting up video that I'm recording after this, I might have more than one kitting up video already recorded, but the next kitting up video I'm recording after this unboxing in my time will be using one of these just so that I could test them out. So yeah, I can't believe I spoke this long about this storage, but yeah, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye!